remember, during the last hearing, we directed PNP or CIDG to submit the copies of the USB requested by the respondents. Fortunately for the PNP and CIDG, they have submitted 5 copies of the USB. In fact, the panel allow the same to be viewed during the hearing. I will not anymore disclose what are the contents of the USB because that would be part of the resolution of the case of this preliminary investigation. Now, with respect to the affidavits that were required by the panel to be submitted also by the PNP likewise submitted them to the panel, and we have given them, or we have given the respondents the copies of all the uh, affidavits submitted by the PNP in today's hearing. So that's it. For purposes of another hearing, the hearing will be set on November 3. It was moved from October 13 to November 3 because of the submission or in view of the submission of the additional documents from the end of the